Tanja Vujinović is a new media artist, working, especially in the last years, in VR social worlds. Namely, that means that Tanja builds worlds on different platforms, such as VR chat or Sansa, for example. These are social worlds, VR worlds, which also operate as kind of a non-game game, where playfulness and spending time and socializing is one of the aims.
And Tanja is also dealing a lot with virtual avatar, presenting herself in a digital world as an avatar. So there is also a big culture, internet culture in. So we know influencers, but then there is a big culture on virtual influencers. So you don't have to present yourself, but you present as an avatar.
Izložba Tanje Vujinović u Krak Centru rezultat je saradnje Mariborskog kibernetičkog laboratorija Kibla i Krak Centra, izložbe koju je kurirala slovenačka kustosica Živa Kleindienst. Radi se o pokušaju predstavljanja njenog rada bihaćkoj publici, tačnije umjetničkih radova koji u stvari koriste virtualnu realnost i virtualne svijetove koji su kreirani za jednu drugu prostornu stvarnost.
Tanja in her work is very much interested in overlaps, connections, and also disruptions between human and new technologies, humans and nature especially. She is interested to think about these spaces as utopian spaces of the future. How can we, by building these virtual worlds, also think about new, more sustainable worlds and the future in sense of she inhabited these worlds with proto-machines, models which she creates in 3D modeling of flowers or any kind of other plants from the history, the geological history of planet Earth.
You're still learning.
What we do is we bring this world and connect it to in these kind of events with live audience. So people can also try VR, can try this experience.
She builds this kind of utopian ideal, maybe machines that could in the future serve as air purifiers or for gathering clean water. On the other hand, she is very much interested in the questions of identity. So in this merging and blending of virtual and physical worlds, how this has political, social connotations of creating, developing our identities. Recently, in her, let's say, last projects, Kuratorka or Soma, she is interested also in creating images and visuals using artificial intelligence. She is interested in synthetic production of organic materials and, let's say, technological enhancement of human bodies.
Osim što predstavljaju napredne tehnološke obrazce i jedan drugačiji vid umjetničke produkcije, Ova izložba imala je cilj u stvari da definira jednu novu saradnju između Kible u Mariboru i Kraka u Bihaću i da bihaćkoj publici ponudi barem jedan segment programskih aktivnosti koje kibernetički laboratorij realizira kroz jedan regularni i redovni set svojih aktivnosti.